Hey guys, what we have here is a late 80s to probably early 90s MTD 22-inch cut super large rear wheel push mower. The shroud says Lowe's by MTD. I'm not 100% sure that's the original shroud because this is Yard Machines. Anyway, we're going to restore this lawnmower. It's kind of unique. I haven't seen one like this before by MTD. So we're going to restore it. And the first thing I'll probably be doing is seeing if this old engine will even run. And if it'll run, we'll take it from there. So, alright, I'll update y'all as I move along. Alright guys, we're going to try to do a first start here. She runs. Gotta figure out what the noise is though. Well, she seems to run pretty good there. Alright guys. I will show y'all more later. Alright guys, this mower's a runner. Runs really good. See if she'll start for us. Need to still get an air cleaner on it. Even will idle down. Alright, we're going to move on. We're going to do some cosmetic work. We're going to sand it. And we need to get a 22-inch blade. I have a 21-inch blade on it now. I'm going to put an air cleaner on it. And we're going to get it painted. So, I'll show y'all as I go. Alright guys, we got the mower all resanded and painted. So we're going to go ahead and put it back together. I found this little plastic cover here for the motor. So, yep, I'm going to attach this to the gas tank like this. So, anyway, after we assemble it, there are just a few more things we've got to do to it and we will be done. So, I'm going to go ahead and put it back together.
Alright guys, well, she's all put back together. So the only thing I gotta do, I gotta get an air filter, I've gotta get a kill switch, and a 22-inch blade, and it's done. So, alright.
Alright guys, got a few things for the mower here. I got a 22-inch blade for it, because I was running a 20-inch under there. I also painted the underside of the deck black to protect it from rust. You can't really see it, but it's black. Anyway, so we got the 22-inch blade, we got a kill switch because the blade brake cable is missing, or actually it was on the mower but it was broken, and the blade brake was disabled anyway, and the little bell handle was missing. So anyway, we're just going to do a kill switch, and that's basically going to be it for this mower. I'm not going to do any more to it. So after I get everything put on, I'll start it up and do a little mowing with it. There's not much grass to mow, but we're, just running through the grass, and that'll be it for it. So I'll show y'all more later. Alright guys, got the kill switch figured out. I actually used the mower's old throttle, and I simply took the handle out of the throttle and glued the kill switch in there, and wires come from the bottom. So tomorrow we will mount this on the mower and wire it up, and we'll be good to go. So alright guys, I finished with the mower here. Got everything all hooked up, the kill switch, got a new air filter. So we're going to start it up and do a little mowing with it. Should start right up. Runs really good. Well, I must say, this thing runs pretty good. It's real easy to push. I think it's going to be a nice mower. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. See everybody later.